My lord, item number this 18, my lord, CBI has taken out an application in my writ petition saying that one member of the seat that has been constituted by your lordships want to change, but there are orders of your lordship, my lord. This. Secondly, my lord, one, if your lordship heard this,
Is
then
the application there in the list?
I have an objection.
You have an objection to the person retiring?
No,
No,
not
he is-
retiring, but from releasing. Why I tell your lordship?
Ah.
Second, if your lordship subject to correction at all can take up this matter because of the
Supreme Court stay.
direction of
This
the
is-
Supreme Court that all proceedings in the writ petition are stayed. We have taken item number this 18, my lord. CBI has taken out an application in my writ petition saying that one member of the seat that has been constituted by your lordships want to change, but there are orders of your lordship, my lord, regarding this. Secondly, my lord, one, if your lordship heard this,
Is
then
the application there in the list?
I have an objection. My lord,
You have an objection to the person retiring?
no,
No,
not
he is-
retiring, but from releasing. Why I tell your lordship?
Ah.
Second, if your lordship subject to correction at all can take up this matter because of the
Supreme Court stay.
direction of
This
the
is-
Supreme Court that all proceedings in the writ petition are stayed. We have taken out an application before the Supreme Court or vacating. They should also file this application if they so desire before the
Supreme Court.
Yes, that is the fact.
this is the twofold submission.
কেন করছো ভাই?
The court has tied the hands of this court.
May I, Millet? Subject to whatever false. A person is for the humanitarian view, Millet. He is due to retirement. Now, Millet, if Millet and the no further
No,
proceedings.
but then I can understand if there is an order of the Supreme Court that all proceedings to be stayed, possibly I should not take up
But
this
because
matter.
of-
Why don't you renew this prayer before the Supreme Court and get orders from there? Because you are appearing over there. It's not that you are not appearing.
Because on the greatest
Think it in that
impediment.
way. Will it be proper? Any order, if it is passed,
Millet, this is,
maybe not on the merits.
it is not on merits because Millet.
I
because
understand a
think
person will
essentially-
retire in his usual term, in his usual course. But he is the
because we are
member
going
of,
to- We are going to replace the officer. with
get
another
it done from the forum which
Yes.
has tied the hands of this court. I cannot help.
Malad will not, Malad will keep this application pending, maybe.
I am keeping it pending. I am not passing any order.
If I can find any hope, light of hope in that judgment. আর এখন
Or
পুরো
at least you can get an order from the top court that I can pass order in this application. Then also I can act. Otherwise, I cannot.
Malad, if Malad kindly sees, Malad, if Malad sees the
15 July order, although it is marked, my lord, kindly.
Doesn't matter. Let me see.
আমাকে
Pardon.
mark টা দিয়ে
Oh,
দাও
sorry,
না।
sorry, sorry. Maybe order.
No, doesn't matter. Any
My
even
lord,
if it is marked.
I can read the mark, it will help me more.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
That will be more.
Malad,
ওটাটাই পড়ো,
last
ওটাটাই
but
পড়ো, ওটাটাই পড়ো, ওটা order
Which
করো।
portion?
Malad, page
Still portion.
3. Page 3, Malad.
Yes.
15 July order, my lord.
15 July order, page 3, Millard. May I read from the top, Millard, just after the second paragraph? In view of the aforesaid statement, we direct that the petitioners shall continue in their respective post on ad hoc from 1st August 2024. This direction will be subject to further orders which may be passed in the petition. This order will not prevent the concerned respondents from initiating the process of making fresh appointments. Needless to add that any process of appointment initiated will be subject to further orders which may be passed in this petition. We make it clear that the petitioners will not be entitled to any back wages and they will get their remunerations from 1st August 2024 or from the date on which the petitioners join the employment in August 2024, list the matter so and so. In the meanwhile, WPS number so and so along with connected writ petition shall remain stayed. Number only writ petition is to be stayed, Millard. So and so, appearing for the applicant seeks permission to withdraw IA so and so with liberty to file substantiative.
If it is stayed and it is
Yes,
stayed.
yes, my lord. Because of that,
orders.
my lord, may I, yes.
Uh,
That prayer is not there, my lord.
no, whatever. I'll
Yes,
post the matter
that
sometime
not
in February.
Yes, yes.
February or March.
Judicial decorum not suggested.
February or March, sometime.
Yes. In the meanwhile, my lord, in the
Okay.
meanwhile,
Millard,
meanwhile-
keep it in January, Millard. We may try our luck by that time before the Honorable Supreme Court.
I'll keep it in March with liberty to mention. With liberty to mention.
My lord will keep it, my lord, I don't want to buy.
The
My lord will keep it on.
state
My lord,
letter
my lord, we have reserved.
passed by the Honorable
February.
My
Supreme
lord,
Court.
my lord, we have reservation, my lord, kindly keep it on February. Because of that, we trying to do that process
Alright.
because we are also, my lord, keep it on February.
কি বললাম?
না, আমরা try করবো না, ওই
Honorable
বের করার।
Supreme Court
ওইসব আটকে আছে।
in WPA 7907 of 2019 is still subsisting.
আপনাদের সুবিধা হয়, আমাদের
Stop.
তো
Next. Let the writ petition be posted for further hearing on 28th of February 28.
My lord,
28.
Yes.
Liberty
I'm grateful.
Convention.
grateful, my lord, extremely grateful.